What if I told you that the biggest opportunity on YouTube right now is not vlogging, not gaming, and not even music? What if I told you that the most watched video in YouTube history is a kid's song, and it's earning millions of dollars every single month? That's right. We're talking about simple, colorful, animated songs made for toddlers. Videos like Baby Shark, Cocomelon, Gracie's Corner, and Super Simple songs aren't just popular, they are global phenomena. One single song can attract billions of views and turn into a business empire that makes more money than some Hollywood movies. And here's the craziest part. You don't need to sing, you don't need to animate, and you don't need a studio to create this type of content anymore. Thanks to AI, you can do it all from your laptop or even your phone with just a few prompts. Think about this for a second. The same way Baby Shark dominated YouTube with a 2-minute repetitive nursery rhyme, you could create your own catchy, kid-friendly content using tools that are now available to everyone. We're talking about production-level animation, professional background music, and lyrics written for you instantly, all powered by AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Not theory, not complicated software, but a step-by-step strategy that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to research what songs are trending, how to generate lyrics toddlers will actually love, and how to turn those lyrics into a fully animated kids video that looks like it came straight from a professional studio. This is more than just making videos. This is a proven system to build a channel that parents trust, kids love, and YouTube rewards. And here's the best part. I'm giving you everything for free. So if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, this is your moment. Stick with me until the end, because what I'm about to reveal could change the way you think about content creation forever. Now, let's dive into the details of the tutorial without making the video too long. First, we'll go to ChatGPT as the first step, and we'll paste this prompt. I'll leave the prompt for you in the video description below. Take it for free. We'll copy it and then head over to Leonardo.ai or any other AI tool you prefer. But I personally recommend this one because it gives you enough daily credits to create your videos for free. We'll select the video dimensions for long-format videos with a 16:9 ratio. There are 4 model options. Choose Phoenix 0.9 as the model for generating these images, or any similar one. Then we click on Generate. By the way, this tool gives you 150 credits every single day, which I've almost used up today. Now, we'll wait for it to generate 4 images for us.
Hello waves, hello sea, splash your hands.
As you can see, they're amazing high-quality images, perfect for kids' videos. Just look at the quality of the images we've produced using this tool. They're truly impressive. Again, you get 150 credits daily. I've used them before, and they work wonderfully. Now we'll download these images and move to the next step. As you can see, after downloading all the images in high quality, we'll move to the next step, which is to create the song using the tool I showed you earlier, called Suno. After that, we'll move to the third step, which is turning the images into video clips, and then merging the music with the video using another tool that we'll explore later. I'll also leave its link below the video. Now we'll move on to the tool that will help us create the children's song. The tool is called Suno. As you can see, after signing up using your email, I'll go back to ChatGPT to retrieve the lyrics, or the song we previously created. Once we have the lyrics ready, I'll return to the Suno platform and click on Create. We'll then wait a few moments for the tool to generate the song we want.
Hello waves, hello sea, splash your hands and dance with me.
After listening to the final result, as you can see, we'll click on these 3 dots that allow us to download all the songs we've generated using this tool.
Hello waves, hello sea, splash your hands and dance with me.
Then we'll click Generate, and move here to select the image we want. We'll take this image, upload it, and then also upload the audio or song file. There's an option where you can either upload a voice file or simply input text to generate song lyrics or a full song. So we'll go here, choose audio, then click here, and finally select our sound file. For example, I'll choose this song, or any song you created using the tool, and wait for the upload to finish. So, after obtaining both the images and the song in steps 1 and 2, we'll move to step 3, which is using this tool to turn the images into a video. It's an excellent tool that I've already explained in previous videos, and you can revisit my channel to check it out. Honestly, it's one of the best tools ever. So we'll click here, and after signing up normally with your email, the tool's interface will appear like this. I'll click here, then select the images I've generated earlier. I'll choose these images and wait for them to upload. Then we'll add our prompt, which will guide how the images move and transition. Leave everything else as is. Next, we click Create and wait for the video to finish generating. Now the website is processing and generating our video. We'll wait a few seconds.
Hello waves, hello sea, splash your hands.
And here it is, the final result we've got from this site. It's absolutely fantastic. So we'll go ahead and download it by clicking this arrow. After converting all the images into video clips, we'll move on to the next stage, combining the video with the song using another amazing tool. It's a very nice platform that allows you to create about 10 videos per day for free. We click Create, then click here to select our video. A small tip, don't choose still images, choose videos for much better results. I'll pick the video first, download it, and place it here. Then I'll go back to the tool and click Here, since this is the video we want. After uploading, we wait a bit for it to load, and then we add the song or audio file. Finally, we click Generate to get our final result. Once the video and the song are both uploaded, as you can see, we click here to upload the sound or song. I'll go back to the Suno tool where we created the song and select the one I want. After both the video and the audio are uploaded, the process takes just 30 seconds in the free version. Choose the section of the song that fits best and click Generate. At this point, the platform will start producing the video by merging the animation we created from the images with the music track. After that, the result will appear like this. And once it's done, here's our final video.
Hey, let's go! Hello apples, red and round, rolling, rolling on the ground. 1, 2, 3, let's count again. Fruits are fun with every friend. Orange smiles and berry tunes, dancing grapes beneath the moon. Pass the basket, share the treat, fruit parade, so fun.
Isn't it amazing? This is truly fantastic, right? So, that's everything for today's tutorial. I've shown you how to create a full children's song video from start to finish, from building the idea using ChatGPT, to generating images using Leonardo.ai, to turning those images into a video, and finally merging your custom song with the video. As you can see, the final result is absolutely beautiful and high quality. This type of video will definitely bring in great views on YouTube, and therefore generate significant revenue. And there you have it, the secret behind some of the biggest YouTube channels in history. The truth is, you don't need expensive studios or complicated skills to succeed. With the power of AI, you can create content that entertains, educates, and has the potential to reach millions of people around the world. Now it's your turn. If you found value in this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, because it really helps more people discover this content. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next step-by-step tutorial that could change your content creation journey. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with the kids' song idea you'd love to see turned into an animation. Who knows? Your idea might be the next viral hit. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the only thing standing between you and your first viral video is taking action today. See you in the next one.